Kids Leadership at AfriKids Club. Are leaders born or made? There's some debates about whether some children are born leaders or learn to be leaders. All children have the potential to develop their leadership skills. Leadership development can be a life skill. And that is why here at AfriKids Club, we teach children how to take responsibility for themselves, how to lead themselves to do what is right. With this module, your child would learn self-leadership, good decision-making, growth mindset, strong value, and belief system. This module instills confidence, help children solve problems creatively, work well within a team, and collaboratively with others. It also provides the opportunity to develop their awareness of self-responsibility. If you're interested in our Kids Leadership session, register on our website today. That is at www.afrikidsclub.com, or follow us on our social media platform on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Thank you.